Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make some cool, modern, elegant looking text. No plugins are required and they're 4K resolution. I mean, this is really cool and you guys are going to love it. Okay, so first let's open up a new web page and go to Videohive.net. And we want to go up under Premiere Pro. And we want to go to Titles. I believe that's where we want to go. Elements Transition. Well, here's animated titles right here, a package that you can buy for $12. Here's some more title sets. They have some really flashy stuff in here. I mean, however much money you want to spend on titles is to your heart's desire. So anyways, you can select a title package, and if you like it,
Audio Jungle.
say I like this one, I'm going to add that to my cart, and then I'm going to go check out. And that's what I did here, is I went to check out on this transition and titles. And then it gives you a download link, and you're going to want to download that. You're going to want to download that to a certain file. So I'm going to go under my projects, how to make cool graphic and text, and I'm going to download that zip file right there. And it takes it a second to download. So after that's done downloading, you want to go click on this little arrow here and show in folder. So it's going to show the zip file now in the folder. And I want to make a new folder, and I want to call it titles and text from Videohive. And I'm going to go drop that zip file right into there. And then I'm going to right click on it and extract it right here. Now it has a lot to extract, so it'll take a little bit of time. And this is what we have. So we have our leftover zip file here. So I can hit delete and just delete that. And this is all the unzipped elements. So the first thing we want to do is we want to install our fonts. And there's also a little tutorial here that helps you out if you don't know how to install everything. This tutorial will help you out. But open up the fonts, and you can see all the fonts listed here that you're going to need. So if you control click, it's going to open up the page to download that font. So you're going to want to download that, and titles and text from Videohive, and then I'm going to make a new folder and call it fonts. And you can save that there. Close that out, and then go back to your font, the next font. Click on it. Then you're going to want to hit download. And you're just going to download those fonts to that same folder. So now you go under fonts and you want to right click and unzip that file, and you can see how many little files are in here. So what I do is I go create a new folder and call it Poppins Font. And then I take all of that and just put it right into there, so it's nice and neatly organized. Then you want to go select on all the font sections, right click and hit install for all users. So it already exists on my computer because I've already installed this package, so the fonts are already there. And that's how you get your fonts onto your computer. Now, I did run into an issue where the fonts from fontfabric.com wanted me to sign up or subscribe. So if you subscribe, then you can get the font. Oh, it's gonna want you to buy it. Oh, so that's why I didn't do that. That's why I don't have those fonts installed on my computer, because that's BS. I don't want to go pay for a font, because your computer editor will replace a font that if it doesn't have this font in there, it will replace it to something similar. So that's that for fonts. So now you notice we have transitions, which is really cool. You can go in and play with those if you want to, open up those projects. But mainly what we're worried about for this tutorial is this Mogart elements. And these are all the elements that I want to add to my library. So what I'm going to do is hit the Windows key and hold down Windows key and hit E, and it pops up a new window. And I'm going to go to local disk C, your main hard drive disk, users, and then whatever your computer is called. Mine is called NVMe. And then app data, roaming, Adobe, common, and then here's your motion graphics templates. You can see that I've already copied those into my file, so I already have those. As soon as you highlight all of these and drag these over to here, it will copy them, and then Premiere Pro will automatically see them. So then when you go to your browse feature, you have all these cool graphics that you can choose from. Literally hundreds of cool graphics, and you just take them, you grab it, and you can drop it on your timeline. And then you click on the actual graphic itself, and you notice it pops open the editor. And sometimes it can be a little bit slow because these graphics kind of slow down your computer a little bit because they're using a lot of RAM. So you come up here and click on here, and you can type in graphics, and then you click off of it, and now it says graphics. So I can go change the to my name or something. And then if it doesn't fit right, you can just scale it down. Or you can move it over. Just like that. It's simple and easy. Instead of 1, we'll put 2. Oh, whoa. I didn't want to do that. Best graphics in the world. So now my graphic is literally ready to go drop onto a piece of video or whatever. And let's see how it plays. It's going to be a little bit choppy because it's not rendered yet. But that's literally so simple and easy. I know you guys can do it, and you can have really kick butt graphics on your projects for just a little amount of money, and you don't need any plugins, and they're 4K resolution, and they look really sweet on your projects. Oh, I wanted to say, if you have a graphic that shows you don't have that font loaded, it will show you what font that you don't have, and just hit OK. But you go over to it, and it just obviously it just replaced that font. So you can click on it, and you can actually go change that font to something else. Oh, it did change the font up there. I was thinking it was this one down here. So I can go change this font to something different, something bold like that if I want to. So it's really easy to interchange everything and adjust. I like to use this because the mouse portion on this thing is really too fast, and it's like I have to undo. And this seems to work a lot better by scrolling right or left on this numbers pad. So that's how you change your font to a font if it doesn't have that font in there. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you watch more. Thanks.